5 reasons your legs are getting weaker. After 60, don't wait until it's too late. Have you noticed that your legs aren't as strong as they used to be? Do you feel weaker, shakier, or more tired when walking, climbing stairs, or even standing in one place for a long time? The alarming truth is, weak legs are more than just a sign of aging. They're an important warning from your body, indicating that you may be losing muscle strength, having problems with blood circulation, or lacking essential nutrients. If left untreated, the consequences can be serious: increased risk of falling, loss of independence in daily activities, and even life-threatening health complications. But don't worry. Once you understand the underlying causes of weak legs, you can take simple but effective steps to regain strength, flexibility, and confidence in every step. Discover the top 5 reasons why your legs are weak after 60 and 10 the golden solutions to fix them today before it's too late. We've learned together the top 4 reasons why your legs are weak after 60, from muscle loss, poor blood circulation, nerve damage, to spinal problems. You already know the signs and effective remedies for each cause, but are you curious? The number 1 cause, the often overlooked factor, is the silent enemy that makes your legs run out of energy and shake for no apparent reason. Come explore.
With me now, this could change the way you look at your leg health.
Important note: the information in this article is for educational and reference purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult your doctor or health professional before making any changes in your diet or exercise program. Reason 5. Muscle loss, sarcopenia, the silent enemy of strength. As we age, muscle mass and strength gradually decline, a process known as sarcopenia. Although it begins at age 30, the rate of muscle loss accelerates after age 60. Without intervention, you can lose up to 30% of your muscle mass by age 80. The consequences: your legs will become noticeably weaker, making everyday activities, such as getting up from a chair, walking long distances, or climbing stairs, a challenge. Signs of recognition: your thighs and calves appear smaller and less toned. Feeling heavy and sluggish in your legs. Feeling tired easily after walking a short distance. Effective solution: strength training. This is the golden key. Focus on simple but effective exercises such as chair, squats, strengthen the thighs and buttocks. Leg raises, strengthen the front and back thighs. Use resistance bands, add difficulty and challenge to muscle groups. Calf raises. Strengthen the calves. Get enough protein. Protein is the building block and maintenance of muscles. Make sure your diet is rich in protein from lean meat, chicken breast, beef, eggs, fish, salmon, tuna, milk and dairy products, nuts and beans, lentils, soybeans. Maintain regular exercise. Even walking for 10-15 minutes a day helps activate and maintain effective leg muscle function. Make exercise a daily habit. Reason 4. Poor circulation, peripheral artery disease, PAD. When blood doesn't get enough nutrients, have you ever felt cold, numb, or had sudden cramps in your legs while walking? These could be warning signs of poor circulation, often caused by plaque buildup in your arteries, which causes peripheral artery disease, PAD. When blood doesn't get to your legs, your muscles lack oxygen and nutrients, leading to weakness, fatigue, and cramping. In more severe cases, PAD can cause ulcers and infections that are difficult to heal. Signs to watch out for: feeling heavy or numb in your legs after standing or sitting for a long time. Calf pain, especially when walking, that gets better when you rest or sit down. Pale or blue skin on your legs, colder than the rest of your body. Solutions to improve blood circulation: walk every day. Even walking around the house or in the garden is very helpful. Try to walk regularly to stimulate blood circulation. Drink enough water and reduce salt. Hydration helps the blood to be thinner and circulate more easily. Limit salt to reduce swelling, which can impede circulation. Foot care at home. Soak feet in warm water. Helps dilate blood vessels and increase circulation. Gently massage stimulates blood flow. Elevate your feet when resting. Helps blood from the legs return to the heart more easily. See a doctor. If you have any signs of PAD, see a doctor for timely diagnosis and treatment. PAD not only causes leg weakness but also increases the risk of stroke and heart disease. Reason 3. Nerve damage, peripheral neuropathy. When signals are interrupted, do you have strange sensations in your legs like numbness, tingling, burning, or sometimes the feeling of walking on cotton. This could be a sign of peripheral neuropathy, a condition that affects about 1 in 3 older adults, especially those with diabetes or vitamin B12 deficiency. Main causes: high blood sugar. Long-term high blood sugar levels will gradually damage nerves over time. Vitamin B12 deficiency. This is an extremely important nutrient for nerve health. A B12 deficiency can lead to leg weakness, numbness, and other nerve problems. Healthy nerve support solutions. Tight blood sugar control. If you have diabetes, maintaining stable blood sugar levels is key to preventing and slowing nerve damage. Vitamin B12 supplement. Eat plenty of foods rich in B12, eggs, milk, meat, fish, seafood, and some fortified cereals. Consult your doctor about vitamin B12 supplementation if your diet is inadequate or you have absorption problems. Avoid alcohol. Alcohol can worsen nerve damage and should be limited or avoided altogether. Gently massage your feet. Stimulates blood and nerve circulation, helping to reduce discomfort. See a doctor early. If you have symptoms of numbness and burning pain that persist, see your doctor for an accurate diagnosis and appropriate treatment plan. Reason 2. Spinal issues. Herniated disc, sciatica. The main axis is affected. You may not realize it, but the health of your spine has a huge impact on the strength and function of your legs. Problems like herniated discs, spinal stenosis, degenerative disc disease, or even sitting in the wrong position for long periods of time can compress the nerves that run from the spine down to the legs. This compression not only causes pain, but also weakens the nerve signals to the leg muscles, leading to weakness, numbness, and difficulty moving. Signs of recognition. Back pain that lasts for a long time and may radiate down one or both legs. Numbness, tingling, or pins and needles in the legs. One leg is significantly weaker than the other. Difficulty lifting, walking, or balancing. Solutions for a healthy spine and strong legs. Practice gentle back stretches. Helps reduce pressure on the spine and nerves. For example, bring your knees to your chest. Lie on your back. Slowly bring one or both knees toward your chest. Twist while sitting. Sit up straight. Slowly twist your upper body to one side. Avoid sitting for long periods of time. Try to stand up, walk around, or stretch gently every 30-60 minutes of sitting. Use a back support cushion. When sitting at work or driving, use a pillow or cushion to support your lumbar region to maintain the natural curve of your spine. Maintain correct posture. Pay attention to your posture when standing, sitting, and lifting heavy objects to reduce pressure on your spine. Consult a specialist. If back pain and leg weakness persist, see a doctor or physical therapist for an assessment and appropriate treatment plan. A healthy spine will be a solid foundation for your healthy legs. Reason 1. Electrolyte imbalance, potassium, and magnesium deficiency, depleted energy. Source: do you often have sudden cramps in the middle of the night? Or do you sometimes feel shaky legs, tired for no apparent reason? The culprit could be a deficiency of potassium and magnesium, two extremely important electrolyte minerals which play a key role in muscle contraction and nerve transmission. Effects of deficiency. Potassium deficiency causes muscle spasms, muscle weakness, and can even lead to heart rhythm disturbances. Magnesium deficiency leads to tremors, muscle fatigue, cramps, and is also associated with anxiety and difficulty sleeping. Mineral supplementation solution. Supplement foods rich in potassium. Bananas, oranges, avocados, watermelon, spinach, broccoli, sweet potatoes, tomatoes. Supplement foods rich in magnesium. Almonds, cashews, pumpkin seeds. Dark chocolate. Choose high cocoa content. Whole grains, oats, legumes, black beans, lentils. Drink enough water every day. Proper hydration helps maintain electrolyte balance. Epsom, salt foot soak. Epsom salt, magnesium sulfate, can be absorbed through the skin. Soaking your feet in Epsom salt before bed not only helps relax your muscles, but is also a useful way to supplement magnesium for your body. Summary. Don't wait, take action. Today, to get healthy, feet back. Weak feet are more than just a minor inconvenience. They are a clear warning from your body that you need to pay attention and take action. Whether the cause is muscle loss, poor circulation, nerve damage, spinal problems, or mineral deficiencies, you can improve your condition with these Simple but consistent steps. Exercise every day. Even just 5-10 minutes of light exercise can make a big difference. Start with the simplest exercises. Eat a nutritious diet. Focus on protein and essential minerals like potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B12. Drink enough water. Maintain good hydration. Adjust your posture and take care of your spine. Sit and stand properly and stretch your back regularly. Walk regularly. The easiest way to stimulate blood circulation and keep your leg muscles active. Never think that weak legs are normal with age, and wait until it's too late. Your health and independence depend a lot on strong legs. If you find this content useful, please subscribe to our channel and share with your loved ones, especially those who need healthier feet to enjoy life to the fullest every day. Comment below to see which reason surprised you the most. Let's share your journey to healthy feet.